Welcome to another episode of Creativity in the Age of AI. In this episode, we take a closer look at something fundamental in entrepreneurship education, how students actually learn creativity, and how AI is quietly reshaping that learning journey. We'll explore what happens when AI makes everything faster, but not necessarily deeper. This video is part of a series created by Birna, Christian, and me. Creativity in the Age of AI is made for innovators, educators, and curious minds who want to understand how AI can support creativity, not by replacing human thinking, but by strengthening it through better questions, better reflections, and better learning moments. And I'm Carl, completely fascinated by innovation, learning, and AI. And for this special episode, Christian joins me as we share what we've observed in classrooms across Europe and how AI can become a real partner in the three modes of entrepreneurship learning. But enough introduction, let's jump in.
Have you ever watched students use AI in entrepreneurship and felt both amazed and a little uneasy? They ask ChatGPT for customer needs, for ideas, for business models, and suddenly they complete what should be a multi-week learning journey in a single day. Everything looks polished, everything looks fast, but somewhere in this speed, something essential is missing. And maybe you've wondered, if AI can run through the entire entrepreneurship process so quickly, what's left for students to actually learn?
It's fascinating, no matter where we teach, Germany or Denmark. The structure of entrepreneurship education is always built around the same three modes. We have Sherlock mode for understanding needs. We have McGyver mode for shaping ideas and solutions. And we have Wolf of Wall Street mode for designing a business model. These three modes work beautifully in theory, but AI has quietly changed how students experience them. Not because AI is bad, but because AI answers everything instantly.
That instant answer is the paradox. AI can generate interview summaries, problem statements, 20 ideas, and even investor-ready business models in seconds. And that means students can rush through the process without ever going through the learning. What worries us is not the speed, but the psychological effect. Some students feel less creative after working with AI, even when the results improve. It's as if they start thinking the machine is the real entrepreneur.
So instead of treating AI as a universal assistant that works the same way everywhere, we suggest a different approach. AI should play a different role in each mode of entrepreneurship because discovery, ideation, and business modeling each require a different mindset, and AI influences them in very different ways. In Sherlock mode, the rule must be simple: human first, AI second. Students need to observe, listen, ask questions, not outsource their curiosity. When we walked through Dock 1 in Aarhus and used AI as a second pair of eyes, this became clear. We stood in the children's area, and after observing ourselves, we asked ChatGPT, what obstacles might a small child face here? And AI pointed out something we adults didn't notice. Small children can only see the first row of books. The rest is hidden because the shelves are made for adults. That's the power of AI in Sherlock mode. Not replacing human observation, but expanding it.
In the MacGyver mode, AI becomes a true creative sparring partner. And to understand what that really means, we need to look at how a creative dialogue with AI actually works, because most people do the opposite. They open a chatbot and ask it to produce a list of ideas. And in that moment, they turn the AI into a vending machine. The human thinking stops, and the answers become generic. But creativity is not a vending machine. It's ping pong. You throw something, the other side builds on it, you refine, it challenges, you push again. That's the essence of collaboration. A simple example shows this very clearly. Human prompt. Can you think of one new way to serve ice cream? An idea that goes beyond sticks, waffles, cups, and glass bowls? AI response. Ice cream served in a balloon that you pop to access and eat the ice cream. Human follow-up. That's a fun and creative idea. Can we make it easier to walk around with the ice cream in your hand? AI response. Ice cream served in bubble wrap, where you can pop an ice cream scoop out of each bubble to eat it. Human follow-up. Great idea. Can we also make it possible to enjoy the smell of the delicious ice cream? AI response. A bubble wrap version with small flavor aroma capsules that release a delicious ice cream scent. This is what a strong creative dialogue with AI looks like. That is the essence of MacGyver mode. AI is not doing the creative work for you. AI is stretching your thinking, expanding your possibilities, and helping you reach a level of novelty you would not achieve alone.
And then there's the Wolf of Wall Street mode, the business model stage. This is the part where almost everyone struggles, because now we must think through all 9 interacting boxes of the lean canvas. Problem, customer segments, unique value proposition, etc. Each box influences the others. Change one, and the entire model shifts.
That's exactly why this is the one mode where AI should actually go first. Ask the AI to generate 5 fundamentally different lean canvases, e.g., a sustainable version, a regional version, a solo founder version, a high growth version, a community driven version. Then students analyze, refine, challenge, and adapt them. AI provides the structure, humans shape the direction.
So maybe the real question is not whether AI can be entrepreneurial. The question is how humans and AI can think in partnership without losing the learning.
If students let AI think for them, they lose their creative confidence. But if they use AI to challenge themselves, to question, to explore, to push their own thinking, then AI becomes a catalyst for deeper learning. The future won't belong to the smartest machines. It will belong to the most deeply creative humans, those who know how to dance with the machine without forgetting the rhythm of their own imagination. Thanks so much for listening. Check out our next episodes as they're released. Each one will go a bit deeper into creativity and creativity with AI. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss a thing, or connect with the 3 of us. You can find our LinkedIn profiles and website links below.